This is a piano you should not buy. I'm going to show you the serious problems you'll face with the Roland RP701 so you don't waste your money. But here's what surprised me. After a month of testing, my conclusion completely reversed. Therefore, I need to be brutally honest about where this piano fails and who it's secretly perfect for. For the best price, click the link in the description. Let's start with the biggest issue, the name. Digital piano. It sounds cold, right? Like a calculator that plays Fou or Elise. But the moment you press a key on the RP701, that notion shatters. The PHA-4 standard keyboard has a weight and texture that feels suspiciously real. Therefore, the first problem is it ruins your ability to complain about digital pianos feeling cheap. You'll have to find a new excuse for your shaky left hand. But we need to talk about the sound. Roland's supernatural piano technology. Marketing jargon? Absolutely. Annoyingly effective? Unfortunately. The sound is almost too rich, too expressive. Here's the problem. You'll start noticing the imperfections in your favorite music recordings. Your Spotify playlist will suddenly sound a bit flat. Therefore, this piano can inadvertently make you a music snob. It's a costly side effect. They should include a beret and a disdainful look in the box. Now, the design. It looks like a proper piece of furniture, not a spaceship control panel. That's a problem for the minimalist. It has elegant curves and legs. It demands a room. It whispers, "I am a piano, not I am a gadget." Therefore, if you wanted something to hide in a corner, this isn't it. This is a centerpiece. It's the musical equivalent of buying a sofa that's more attractive than your friends. Let's dive into a feature that's a genuine double-edged sword, the headphones 3D ambience. You put on headphones to not disturb others, right? But this technology creates a soundscape like you're in a concert hall. The problem? You'll get so immersed, you'll play for 3 hours straight and forget to feed your cat. Your cat will hate this piano. Therefore, consider pet logistics before purchasing. It's that compelling. What about the Bluetooth? It connects to your phone for streaming songs. Seems simple, but here's the twist. You can play along with your tracks, which is incredible for learning. The problem? You'll discover you're wildly out of sync with Ed Sheeran. Your musical ego will take a hit. Therefore, this feature doubles as a brutally honest music teacher. It's humbling like a mirror for your rhythm. Now the app compatibility. Roland's piano every day. It encourages practice. The problem? It's encouraging. It's like a cheerful personal trainer who lives in your piano. Great job. Now play that scale again, but with feeling. You'll either love the motivation or find it unnervingly supportive. Therefore, if you prefer your piano lessons to be stern and intimidating, this app will feel like a betrayal. Let's discuss the elephant in the room, the price. It's an investment. But here's the contrarian snapback. What are you actually buying? You're buying the PHA-4 keyboard action with escapement. That's the subtle click feeling of a real grand piano mechanism. You're buying the progressive damper action pedal, which allows for half pedaling, a technique crucial for advanced pieces. Therefore, you're not just buying sounds, you're buying nuanced physical response. That's the secret most reviews miss. Is it perfect? No. The display uses simple icons. Some might want a bigger, flashier screen, but that's the point. It's intuitive, not distracting. The icons hide when not in use. The problem? If you love complex menus and programming arpeggiators, you'll be bored. This piano wants you to play it, not program it. Therefore, it's fiercely focused on the fundamental experience of sitting down and making music. What about the top reviews? The 4.3-star rating. People rave about the authentic feel and the family-friendly design. But they also mention the sheer weight and size. It's a commitment. Assembly is straightforward but requires 2 people. Therefore, the main complaint isn't about performance. It's about logistics. The piano itself, once in place, is shockingly good. It's like complaining that a grand piano is hard to move. Well, yes. Let's land this. The initial promise was to tell you why not to buy the Roland RP701. So here's the final, honest list of problems. Do not buy the RP701 if you want a lightweight, portable keyboard for gigs. This is a home instrument. Do not buy it if you need hundreds of synth sounds and drum kits. It's a piano first, last, and always. Do not buy it if you're afraid of an instrument that might actually make you a better player through sheer enjoyment. Therefore, the ultimate twist. This review's title was a trap. You shouldn't buy the Roland RP701. You should only buy it if you are serious about learning, if you value authentic touch and tone, and if you want a beautiful instrument that will grow with you for years. It comes with a bench and 3 months of piano lessons. That's a complete package. The problem is, it sets a very high standard. Everything else might feel like a compromise afterward. In conclusion, the Roland RP701 has a fundamental problem. It's excellent at being a piano. Its only real flaw is that it might make you fall in love with playing, and that's a time-consuming, wonderful flaw to have. Therefore, if you're ready for that commitment, click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. This is the one.